All right, so this is the Paper Pumpkin. Now, Paper Pumpkin is Stampin' Up's subscription where you can get one each month, and it's pretty much all inclusive. Everything's in the box. So let's open one up. All right, so in the front, it shows you how to subscribe. Easy 1, 2, 3 steps. Then inside we've got, this is really, really beautiful. A nice little surprise. Okay, so we have one of the Stampin' Spots. This is Pebbled Path. Okay, that's a beautiful beigey gray, like a soft gray. All right, we've got our stamp pad, and then we've got a set of the polymer, which is what we're used to at Close to My Heart. 1,000 good luck wishes, wishing you all the best. And there's your little flowers. Okay, so that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about an A size, I would say, from our old Close to My Heart days. And it does come on a cling sheet, not with foam or a package. So I'll have to figure out how I want to store this in my stamps. It's a little different, but they do cling. And removing one here, I'd say they feel a little bit softer than ours, but very nice quality. And the carrier sheet is very similar to what we're used to, maybe even a little prettier. I like the soft gray on there on the print instead of a harsh black. So there's our little stamp set we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stamps. Beautiful. And then, oh my goodness, this is really pretty. So let's see, I gotta get this out here. Okay, so now we have our card kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and slice this so that I can show you what's in it. Okay. Oh, flipping it over, we have the finished results of what this will make. And so you can see, it looks like it makes 9 cards, and there is matching envelopes, which is just so pretty. Look at that. These will be quick cards. There looks to be an adhesive in here, so let's see, even some gems. So I think these will look quite nice. They will look quite handmade, even though they are a kit that I can make up really quickly. So that's a lot of fun. Okay, here's the instruction sheet. It shows you everything that's included, all the pieces. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then the play-by-play here is inside. So it shows you how to mount it. Oh, it shows the 3 different cards, what goes with what. Okay, so that shows us how to put them together, looks like. And then this part is like a step-by-step inside here. It shows you how to mount them. Tells you what to stamp on each one. Wow, this is fun. I'd say this is a lot of fun. This looks like an adhesive that came with it, like a tape. And each paper pumpkin is different, but this just gives you an idea. This is not a foam tape to what I can tell. I could be wrong, but it's just got a little, yeah, it's just a tape. It's just a nice adhesive tape so that if you had a customer that was buying this, they wouldn't have to have any of their own things. So if you had a friend, you know, maybe that wasn't really into crafting that much, or if you want something easy for you that's all in one, grab and go. All right, so here we have these beautiful little gems. I don't know if you can see, but they're faceted. And then on the back we have an adhesive, extra adhesive, and we have these foam hexagons that came to raise up some of those images. And here's the beautiful envelopes. I'd say that's beautiful quality, really, really nice paper. Super smooth and expensive looking. Very nice. Very, very nice. Each one gets that envelope, but then the insides are different. So we have, oh wow, lots of stuff. Okay, I'm finding lots of surprises in here. So here are 3 of these cards, and you can see they're scored and ready to go. Nice. not super thick cardstock, but that's plenty thick. It's got some metallic on here. Now this is a previous month's subscription. From what I can tell, they throw in our consultant, our brand new demonstrator kits, I should say, a previous one. So this is with my startup kit, but it gives you an idea of what happens with Paper Pumpkin month to month. So there's these punch out, and then it looks like we stamped the, oh yeah, those come out really nice. These come out very nicely. Look at that. Beautiful. No little edges. That's really nice. Metallic gold on the edges, and that is ready to adhere to a card. Okay, if you put that little, those little hexagons of foam tape, it will raise it up, and there's a little more to this. There's still gems and some cutouts, but I'm showing you kind of how we go here. So then here's the next one. This looks awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so there's, looks like 3 of those. And then the next one, this has punch outs in 2 different shapes. There's like a banner and a circle. Okay, and then the next one is this one. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness, this makes me think of my mom. Look at how gentle and pretty that is, and simple. Oh, that's just beautiful. And these are, I wonder if they go on a full front. We'll have to look at this, but this is just a beautiful, no, I don't think it takes over this whole front. I'll have to look at how they want us to use this, because that's just beautiful, but I'm not sure if we fussy cut it or what we do. So we'll have to look at the design. And then there is this. Okay. And so this looks like if you want to give these cards to someone, oh, that's what they're suggesting. Okay, so if I wanted to make these up and I wanted to give them as a gift, I would wrap this around the cards when they're all done. So this would be a beautiful gift for somebody that they could then send to their friends. And I'm loving that idea. What a nice little shower gift or birthday gift for a friend. It has this wrapper on it, which would go around the cards. And then it looks like there's more die cuts and embellishments here. These are all die cut out. Beautiful. And then here's the case. So you can see if we were giving this as a gift, it's all ready to go. Okay, that would make a beautiful gift for somebody, where it has the box. You can see this folds into a box, so it would look very professionally done if you put this on the outside of your cards. So that's our Paper Pumpkin. There's something, a different surprise every month. This one was from December 23, and I'm very pleased with the quality of that. I think anyone could enjoy that and think that it's beautifully put together, beautifully made. The die cuts pop out beautifully. Everything is pretty with metallic, and then we have our little gems. I'm impressed. That's a beautiful little kit. So check out Paper Pumpkin. That'll be a fun thing that you can have come to your door and know that it's all ready to go with no fuss. So yeah, I'm pleased with the Paper Pumpkin.